Today, we're diving into the world of style and functionality with our top picks for the 5 best duffel bags of 2024. Whether you're hitting the gym, embarking on a weekend getaway, or just need a reliable everyday bag, we've got you covered. So let's get started. Number 5. Osprey Ultralight Stuffed Duffel Performance. The Osprey Ultralight Stuffed Duffel excels as a versatile travel companion, offering durability and weather resistance despite its lightweight construction. Technology and features: Ripstop nylon, strong and abrasion resistant. Packs into its own pocket, compresses into a small pouch for easy storage. Water resistant finish, handles light moisture and rain. 30L capacity, spacious enough for weekend trips or gym sessions. Design: minimalistic, practical design with a large main compartment and small stash pocket. Adjustable shoulder strap and dual grab handles enhance portability. Weight: super light at just 6.7 ounces, 190 grams. Perfect for those looking to minimize carry weight. Price: around $35 to $45, offering excellent value for a lightweight and durable duffel. Pros: extremely lightweight and packable, durable and water resistant. Spacious for its size. Cons: lack structure or padding for delicate items. Not ideal for long trips due to minimal organization. Number 4. Black Diamond Stone Hauler 120L Performance. Designed for rugged, high-capacity hauling, the Stone Hauler 120L excels in transporting heavy loads over rough terrain. It offers excellent durability, ideal for extended trips and expeditions. Technology and features: haul bag style construction, reinforced materials and seams designed to withstand abrasion. Fully padded straps, comfortable shoulder straps and handles. Internal compression keeps gear secure and minimizes load shifting. Dirt bag storage system, separate compartment for dirty or wet gear. Design: sleek, minimalist design with a focus on functionality. The bag has multiple handles and straps for versatile carrying options. Weight: approximately 4.5 pounds, 2.04 kilograms. Price: typically around $249 depending on the retailer. Pros: extremely durable construction, large capacity for extended trips, versatile carrying options. Cons: heavier than some alternatives, higher price point. Number 3. REI Co-op Road Tripper 100L Performance. Durable and versatile, this duffel bag performs well in both travel and outdoor settings. It's built to handle heavy loads in various weather conditions. Technology and features: made from tough 610 denier recycled polyester fabric, water-repellent finish. Large U-shaped opening. Padded, removable shoulder straps, multiple grab handles for convenience, folds into a self-contained pocket for easy storage. Design: simple yet functional design with a large main compartment and minimal external pockets, available in various colors. Weight: 2 pounds 3 ounces, 1 kilograms. Price: approximately 69.95 yuan, subject to change. Pros: durable and weather resistant, large capacity, lightweight and packable, versatile for different uses. Cons: minimal internal organization, lacks padding for delicate items, limited external pockets. Number 2. Thule Aeon Duffel Bag Performance. The Thule Aeon Duffel Bag excels in durability and versatility. Made for active travelers, it withstands rough conditions while maintaining its shape. Technology and features: made from eco-friendly, durable materials, recycled waxed canvas. Waterproof lining protects against moisture. Spacious 40L capacity with multiple compartments. Easy access pockets and removable shoulder straps. Design: sleek, modern, and rugged, the bag has a minimalist design suited for outdoor or urban adventures. Includes ergonomic straps for comfortable carrying. Weight: approximately 2.8 pounds, 1.3 kilograms. Price: $159.95, varies by retailer. Pros: eco-friendly, versatile for various travel needs, sturdy construction. Cons: expensive compared to basic duffels. Limited color option. Number 1. Eagle Creek Cargo Hauler 60L Performance. Durable and versatile, ideal for adventure travel. Water-resistant coating and abrasion-resistant materials ensure longevity. Technology and features: material: Bi-Tech Armor Light fabric. Water resistance: water-resistant exterior. Straps: removable backpack straps, top grab handles, and side haul handles. Storage: U-shaped opening for easy access, compression straps, and a front zippered pocket. Packability: stuffs into its own pocket for compact storage. Design: sleek, compact, with multiple carry options and bold color options. A minimalist but functional aesthetic. Weight: 2 pounds 4 ounces, 1.02 kilograms. Price: approximately $150. Pros: lightweight yet sturdy, water and abrasion resistant, versatile carry options, compact storage when not in use. Cons: limited internal organization, may not suit heavy-duty hauling.